In today's video, we are going to be showing you 3 apps that are going to pay you $400 every single day unlimitedly. And you're literally going to do nothing. You can even cash out your money in so many different ways, plus it's basically available worldwide, and all you'll need to be able to do this is your mobile phone. Yes, that's literally all you need. Crazy, right? Of course, you can do this in both Android and iOS devices, so you don't need to worry about that. All you need to do is to follow the steps in today's video, and you can even sign up for a completely free account. No investments, no cash advancements, nothing. You can just sign up, and just like that, you can start earning immediately. Now think about this. As soon as you wake up in the morning and check your mobile phone, this is what you'll see. Payments like $12, $13, $7, and much more than this that will come in. You literally can start making money like this daily, up to $400 from the comfort of your couch, maybe even your bed, and just relaxing and even sleeping, but still earning just like this. In this video, you're going to discover 3 passive income apps that are going to pay you while doing absolutely nothing. We are then going to show you how you can download, sign up, and verify yourself for completely free and start earning $100 to $400 with only your mobile phone. And you will learn literally everything you need to know with our live example and demonstration for today's method. So make sure that you watch throughout this whole entire video from start to finish so that you won't get confused about today's method. And make sure that you don't skip a part so you don't miss any important details, because if you do miss important details, then chances are you won't get your desired results. Before we get right into today's video, if it is your first time in the channel, welcome to the Money Shark channel. In this channel, we upload videos on how to make money online so you can try them out for yourself and start making your own money. If you want to be a part of this channel, then don't forget to click the subscribe button down below to be a part of our Making Money Online journey, and hit the notification bell beside it to be the first to know whenever we upload a brand new video. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. The first app that we are going to be showing you today is called TV-2. To get to their website, which you can actually access if you want to see this app's website, you can just go on www.tv-2.com, and that should take you straight to over here. So as you can see, TV-2 is an app that you can watch videos on and then earn money, and you can even boost your earnings, so whatever amount you would regularly be earning, it can still increase. We think that's actually amazing. You'll literally find videos, then watch, then earn, then multiply your earnings, receive your payout, and then repeat. You can keep earning over and over again. So first, you need to go on the TV-2 app on your mobile phone. Now really quickly, if you're using a mobile phone, you can go on the Google Play Store or the App Store. For us, it's the Google Play Store, and if you look TV-2 up, this is what's going to pop out. Now right away, you can see that this app has a 4.7 rating out of 5, which is incredibly good, and there are about 400,000 people already using this app to earn. So as soon as you download the app, wherever it's downloaded, make sure that you link it to your devices. So if that's your phone or your laptop, make sure you link it. Once that's completed, all you need to do is sit back, relax, and start earning. There's millions of videos that you can actually watch on here and earn from. Our second app is called AppKarma, and to check out the website, just go on appkarma.io, and this is what you should be able to see. It says, earn rewards playing with apps. It's free. Complete offers to earn rewards, then redeem your points for PayPal or top brand gift cards. Available for iOS and Android users. Install here and get 300 points. You can even get referral rewards. Share your invite link or refer code and earn 30% of what your referrals earn. 30%, okay? That's a lot. You can get daily rewards when you're active, and you can up your earnings or bonuses when you earn achievement badges like it says over here. Once again, this is how it would look like if you looked it up on Google Play Store if you're an Android user. For iOS, it should be similar. As you can see, the rating is still pretty good, and there are over 300,000 users, so what are you waiting for? We want you to try this out too. Since this method is mostly mobile device focused, for our newcomers, we want to know if you're an Android user or an iOS user. Leave a comment down below letting us know, and let's get back into the video. Our third and final app is called SlideJoy. Now going straight ahead to their app on the Google Play Store or App Store. For us, again, it's the Google Play Store. That should look like this. As you can see, it says, with SlideJoy, you earn money to see the most popular news and to unlock your screen. SlideJoy pays you in cash or with rewards in the form of gift cards to show you the most popular news and announcements on your lock screen. Redeem money through your PayPal account or gift cards through your favorite retailers or brands. You can even donate the money you earn on SlideJoy to charities. Earn extra money online by downloading our free lock screen app today. How it works: as soon as you register with SlideJoy, whenever you unlock your phone, you will receive a card with news or a promotion on your lock screen. On the lock screen, swipe up to see more news. From the lock screen, swipe right to unlock your phone and access the home screen. From the lock screen, swipe left for more information on the content. From the lock screen, swipe down to access your notifications and the app shortcut menu. To earn money with SlideJoy, you don't need to swipe left, take a survey, tap the screen for money, download an app, or anything like that. Just use your phone as usual. You also don't need to earn more or less for relating to the ads. Yes, it's simple that way. SlideJoy is an award-winning lock screen app featured on The Today Show, Wall Street Journal, TechCrunch, CNBC, Business Insider, Fox, and others. Our team is always looking for new ways to keep our users happy, so feel free to send us your comments and visit our Facebook page. Features: you earn money to see news and announcements on a smart lock screen. Check your favorite notifications and apps more easily and earn money at the same time. You get carrots and redemption, those in the form of cash or gift cards. Enjoy popular news and timely announcements on your lock screen. News, deals, and advertisements displayed on the lock screen are tailored to your preferences. The money you earn is updated daily the next day. SlideJoy gives you 12 additional redemption options for you to earn money or receive gift cards when you're unlocking your phone. Fast cash payments. There are over 100,000 people using this app already, so make sure that you don't miss out on this opportunity either. And that is it for today's video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure that you leave a like down below to show your love and support for this video. Also, smash that subscribe button down below to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that either. And make sure to click the notification bell beside it to be the first to know when we put out a new video on how to make more money online through different methods. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you in the next one.